Hi everyone, my name is Aman. I was a student for SAT subject test coaching at Etzel, and I wanted to take a moment to tell you about it. I joined up at Etzel in 2017 and it has just been a phenomenal experience for me. And after the whole coaching, I scored a 2400 on my first attempt, and I want to say all of that credit goes to Etzel. So I'll tell you why. So firstly, I tried studying on my own, as many of you might have, and I can tell you it's not effective. You have 3 large books to go through, and the first thing is you're not going to be able to be focused on it. When just seeing those big pile of books itself is going to demoralize you. And even if you manage to find the motivation to finish it, I can tell you it's not effective because there are many different publishers who publish books for the SAT, and each of them have their own unique information. And to read all of that, you need to read through even more books. So due to these 2 reasons, I decided to join up with Etzel and just see how it goes. And that turned out to be a really great decision. So at Etzel, I saw 3 really great benefits. Firstly, we had classes 6 days a week for 1 whole month, 6 hours every morning. And it was just really effective. The teachers, they taught really well. We had the breadth, but also they answered all your doubts, and we really went in deep about every subject. And I can assure you that if you pay attention, you'll come out with deep knowledge about everything that's going to be asked on the SAT. The second benefit, something I realized early after I joined, was the importance of a teacher's guidance. When you're doing the books on your own, it's just so easy to get lost because of all the content, and then you don't know where to focus and you lose your direction. And if you have a teacher with you, it's just so much more effective because they know what's the most important thing, where the tricky questions come, and they'll help you with that and answer all your doubts and give you tricks to remember the methods. And that really helped me out a lot, something I wasn't expecting. And then the final factor is the practice tests. In the end, the best way to learn is to learn from your mistakes. And that's what we did here at Etzel. We had practice tests every single day, and we discussed every question in every practice test after it was over. So we went over the common errors, common mistakes students make, and I think this was one of the most essential factors in getting a good score in the SAT. And that's what happened to me. And I can assure you, if these 3 things apply to you, you pay close attention, you use your teacher's guidance effectively, and you use the practice test effectively, you'll get a really great score in the SAT too. I wish you all the best. And I give Etzel my highest recommendation.